Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to increase text and display size on your Google Pixel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon to open up your settings. This is your main hub for customizing how your phone looks and functions, and it's where you'll find all the display options you need. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on display and touch. This section contains all the visual settings for your device, including brightness, screen timeout, and importantly, the size of everything you see on your screen. Next, tap on display size and text. This is where the magic happens. This menu gives you full control over how large or small text appears in apps and how much content fits on your screen at once. It's particularly helpful if you find yourself squinting at small text or if you want more information visible without scrolling. Now you'll see two main options here, font size and display size. Each one has its own slider underneath it that lets you customize your viewing experience. The font size controls how large the text appears in apps, messages, and menus, while the display size adjusts how much content fits on your screen by scaling everything proportionally. To increase the text size, simply adjust the slider to the right. As you move the slider, you'll notice the preview text at the top of the screen changes in real time, showing you exactly how your new text size will look. This makes it easy to find the perfect balance between readability and screen space. Slide it further right for larger text, or pull it back if you've gone too far. Then, to increase the display size, adjust the slider to the right. This makes icons, buttons, and other interface elements larger, which can make your phone easier to navigate if you prefer bigger touch targets or just want a more comfortable viewing experience overall. Again, the preview updates instantly so you can see the changes before committing to them. And that's it. You've successfully customized your text and display size on your Google Pixel to better suit your preferences and viewing comfort. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.